Hello everyone, I am Dr.M.Manickam, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi, College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. So in this video, we are going to discuss about assembly language program for largest data in an array. So let's go into the video. So this is the source program for largest data in an array. In first step, that is move si comma 1100, so which means set the si register as pointer for array. So if the si register is pointed here, si register is pointed to the 1100. This is for array. For example, to take input values in the array, so we are using 1100 as a location address. So next step, move di comma 1200. This means set DA register as pointer for results. To store the results, we are using the address 1200. The pointer register, that is DA register, is pointing towards the 1200 address. So next step, move CL comma SI. So if the SI value, SI is pointing some address, that address is 1100. So in 1100, 1101, 102, so this all we are getting input values. So that input value one by one will move to the CL register. First input value will move to the CL register. Next step, INC SI. So next input will, if you are using INC increment of SI register means, so next input will take. Again next step, move AL comma SI. So SI register data will move to AL register. So here this is the first data as largest. So first take it is first data. So that first data we have to compare with the remaining all other data. So when comparing the other data, which one is larger, we can find out. So next step, decrement CL, decrement the count, it is a decrement. Again INCSI, INCSI means increment SI register. Then move BL comma SI. So SI register data are moved to the BL register. So we have AL register some value first data, and BL register having second data. So this is the fetching procedure. So now we have two values, AL and BL. Two registers has two values. So these two values we have to compare. So when comparing these two, which one is largest, we can find out. So the instruction for comparison, that is CMP AL comma BL. So after the comparison, we are using the jump command, that is JNC. If the carry is not set, then AL register is greater than BL. We can proceed to the ahead. Ahead means that will move to the decrement CL. It will skip one step, that is move AL comma BL. So this is the way the comparison between the two values, we can find out the largest one. So first one, second one we are comparing. So one AL is the largest means, so that AL value is comparing the next data of third data of SI register input value. So then it will compare which one is larger, that will keep in AL register. Remaining just leave it, and will compare it with the other data, fourth data, fifth data, likewise it will goes. So next step, JNC again. So if the count is not 0, repeat search. So if it is not 0 means it will, this is a looping concept, so it will compare all other data. For example, if you are taking a count as 7 means 7 input data we will give, and so first data is compared with the one another, so we can find out by comparing the values. So then move di comma AL. So after the comparison of all the data, we will find out the largest data in AL register. That AL register is moved to DA register. That DA register is pointing to the 1200 address. So HLT is the end of the program. To stop the program, we are using HLT instruction. So this is the source program for the largest data in an array. So next one, So algorithm. So the algorithm, step-by-step algorithm for the largest data in an array is given here. So first step, that is load the address of the array in SI register. So the result for result DA register we are using. Then third step, load the number of bytes in the array in CL register. Then we are incrementing increment the array pointer SI register. Now we are getting the first input data in AL register, then decrement of the count and increment of the array pointer. Then we will get the next input in BL register. So compare AL register and BL register, we will find out the largest one. So that largest data will compare with all other datas, remaining datas. Finally, we will find out the largest data. So step-by-step procedure, that is now step number 10, that is check carry flag. If the carry flag is reset, then go to step 12. So otherwise go to next step. So this is the systematic procedure. Then 11 steps, it is move BL to AL, and then decrement byte count CL register we are decrement. Then we have to check the 0 flag. If 0 flag is reset, then go to step 7. Otherwise it will move to the next step. So after the find out the largest data, it is pointed by the address. The data is stored in the particular address, which is pointed by the DA register. Then stop is the end of the program. So this is the step-by-step algorithm for the largest data in an array. So this is the flow chart for the largest data in an array. So first step, we are start the program. Then we are getting array pointer, set the array pointer and output result locations we are setting by using the DA register. Set the CL register as byte count, then increment array pointer, get the first data and second data will AL, first data in AL register, second data in BL register. So step-by-step procedure is given in the flow chart. So after the comparison, we can come to a conclusion for jump command. Carry flag comparison is there. If it is condition is yes, means it will move to the decrement byte. Otherwise it will execute the next step. So again Z 0 flag also we are checking. So this 0 flag checking is the for the looping concept to compare all the data in the array. So after the comparison of all the data, we can find out the largest data. Then that data is stored in the memory locations. So this will be the explanation for flow chart of largest data in an array in microprocessor 8086. So this is the sample data we are given as input. Here we are using 6 data, that is 06 as count, then 4E, 2D, 30, 98, AC, FE. These are all the input values we have given in the address 1100 as count, 1101, 02 up to 06 we are giving input values. After the comparison of all the data, we will get final result, that is FE as the largest data in an array. So that will store in the address 1200. So thank you for watching this video.